Hello everyone. Um, this is Pooja recording live. I'm gonna do some happy mail review for the mails that I received over the last couple of weeks. This is my first one, and I hope it turns out well. Um, so let's dive into the review. This is the first one that I received from Beck. From Hello, my name is Beck. If you have been following my channel as well as hers, you will know that we agreed to a swap and she received mine, but her mail took its sweet time to come and reach its destination. But I finally got it. I'm happy. So um, here is the content of the envelope. By the way, the envelope is she made a sweet drawing, but I think the people in the mail, they kind of messed it up. But thank you for the drawing. It was really nice. I wish I could see the full the entirety of it. But she wrapped her happy mail in this really cool gold polka dot paper. uh, it's really nice. I'm trying to open it without destroying it, but I hope I'm successful. It comes off really easy. So this is amazing. I can't, with the gold washi tapes and the gold sticker, it's really beautiful. And I'm obviously going to save it. And off it comes. Okay, that is easy. Thank God. It would have broken my heart if it tore. It did it tear a little bit, but I think the sticker tore, not so much the paper. A little bit of the paper tore, so, but I think I'm good with that. Oh, don't tear, don't tear. Okay, I think I saved most of it. At least I could salvage most of it. Okay, off the paper comes. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, I know. Oh my God, I know exactly which one she did. This is the tag flip book that I did on my video. I'll link it at the bottom if you're interested to watch it. But this is so nice, and I remember I used baker's twine, but she did a metal ring. It's so beautiful. And see, it says love over here. That is so amazing. I love it. Thank you, Beck. Look at the washi tapes. I also love this so much. Oh, she has like this rose washi tape, and I love this grid washi tape. It's muted, but the color is beautiful. It'll go with a lot of other things that I have in my stash. Teal is my favorite color, and I love polka dots. So I don't know how she knows, but I think she knows exactly what I want. Oh, I love these enamel dots. This is so lovely. Oh my God. Oh, this is a pocket. Okay. Oh, I love this. And teal is my favorite color. Oh God. That is so wonderful. And this is her letter. I will read it later, but I love the envelope. So beautiful, and it reminds me of spring, and I'm so glad the spring is here. I'm really tired of the snow. And this, oh sorry, this was the one which was holding the paper, the letter, sorry. And oh my God, she has, this is so neat. Okay, I'll first review the rest of it and then I'll come back to this one. Wax seals, so pretty. Wow, and she decorated this paper like with these pieces of glitter. So pretty. Amazing. Okay, I really love it. I can never make my wax seals this perfect round. I don't know how other people do it, but thank you so much. And this, I'm guessing this is how you open it. I don't want to destroy it. Is this here? Okay, yeah, this is how you open it. Okay, I got it open. Oh my god, so much happiness, good times. Yes, I am having a good time. She's included this leaf. I can use it as is, or I can also color it. And this is this gold, no, silver accent. Yeah, I like it. It's shiny. Wake up and be happy. Yes, we all need our coffee. The time of your life, it says. Hello. I think I can use it in front of like a flip book. It says hello to one of my pen pals. It's really nice. This is another silver leaf. Stories. Nice. This is a little flag. This is another leaf, but this has silver embossing. I was looking for that word in my head. A camera and some sentiments. Celebrate, darling, charming, oh happy day, darling, too sweet, beautiful. Oh, it's a dog. Oh, I love dogs. I know usually our artists or crafters are cat people, but I'm definitely a dog person, although I have very close friends and I love playing with their cats. Ticket. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Yes, that is so lovely. Beautiful. This is another copy, I think, of the leaf with the silver embossing. Yeah. Sweet moments. I think, didn't we do this? Good times. I think there are 2 copies of these things. Remember this. This is a star with some ribbons. This is a nice little piece of ephemera. Dance to the beat of your own dreams. I love this quote. I'm gonna use it somewhere. And more flags. The camera, I think it's more of the similar sentiments that we saw before. This is a ballet dancer. I really like that. Another doggy. Wow. is another flag. Remember this. And then another flag. This is so great. I mean, this is such a lot of stuff. It's indeed a happy mail. I'm really happy. Thank you, Beck. Okay, let me see if I can fit it back into this. Okay, I think I'm gonna try it later. I think I'm gonna keep these. That's the letter. And the washi tape. I'm gonna try to fit in these back later. I'm gonna link Beck's channel in the description, so feel free to check her out. She's amazing. The second one I have is from Haley. She's a pen pal, and she is a wonderful crafter as well. So I haven't seen this. I hadn't seen the other one as well. So this is this is my first impressions of both the mails. So I love the paper she used for the envelope, and I love the stickers, although like USPS had to cover it up, but thanks, Haley. Oh my god, look at this. How crafty is this? She actually used threads to make this. This is so amazing. Thank you, Haley. Love yourself first. Yes, we sometimes, you know, with our responsibilities and our daily lives, we forget to put ourselves first, but sometimes it's necessary to indulge in self-love. And she's this sticky paper notes over here, as well as sticky note paper over here. This, I think, is a sticker. Oh, she says soulmate. It's always the small pieces that make the big picture. Yes, it does. She makes such cute flip books. Love bug. That's cute. I love you. Faithful and Imagine. These are such cute stickers. Oh, I can even color them. Oh, more doggies. Oh, this is so cute. I really love this. It's a bear with, like, these are gold accents. I don't know if you can see it. And I can't see it. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah, bear with gold accents. Another doggy. Oh, this is a love bug, I think. Oh yes, it is. These two will make like a, you can put it on a card or on a flip book. These two will go great together. So shiny heart stickers, really nice. Oh, I love this tie and dye hearts. Thank you. These are really good. I'm gonna tuck it in here. I think this has her letter, but okay, it has something more. These are her letters, so I'm gonna put them away for now. Washi tapes. I always love washi tapes. She has this heart with gold accents, and there are this heart with googly eyes, and will you be my Valentine? Oh, and this blue washi tape. And she has sent me an embossed paper, which is really nice. I can use it in one of my flip books or my greeting cards. It'll be really nice to have like a sentiment over here. And she sent me some writing paper. Oh, that is so nice of her. Thank you, Haley. Well, that was the 2 pieces of mail I wanted to oh, I think she has something else also. Oh, oh my god, I almost missed this. All you need is love. Oh, more writing paper. Perfect. And this, she has this brown embossed paper as well. This also will be very nice for a card. Sorry, I almost missed that one. It was nice, and I think I realized that it's quite relaxing. I was really scared being like this first live video of mine. Because in my head, like, what if I go wrong? What if, okay, I'll do this later. What if I do this thing wrong? What if I do that thing wrong? But I think it was quite relaxing. This is from Haley and this is from Beck. I will link both their channels in the description. Please check them out. And I hope you enjoy my video. If you have liked what you saw, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.